Grandma's Health Check.
Good morning, doctor. I feel very tired these days.
Good morning, Grandma. Please sit down. What other symptoms do you have?
I feel dizzy and my legs are swollen.
I see. Let's take a closer look. How long have you felt this way?
About 2 weeks.
Do you have any previous illnesses?
I had high blood pressure for many years.
That's important. It may affect your kidneys and blood. Let me check your blood pressure.
Okay, doctor.
Your blood pressure is a bit high.
Is that serious?
It can be if not controlled. Your symptoms may be related to anemia or kidney problems.
What is anemia?
It means your blood has fewer red cells.
Oh, I understand.
I recommend a blood test and a kidney function test.
Will it hurt?
Just a small needle. It will be quick.
All right, I can do that.
Your test results are back.
Is everything okay?
You have mild anemia and early kidney disease.
Oh my, is it dangerous?
Don't worry, we can manage it.
What should I do?
You need proper medication and a healthy diet.
I will follow your advice.
Drink enough water, reduce salt, and eat iron-rich foods.
Like what?
Spinach, meat, and beans.
That sounds simple.
Please come back in 1 month.
Okay, doctor.
We will monitor your condition.
Thank you for your help. I feel better after talking to you.
I'm glad to hear that. Take care.
See you next time, doctor. Vocabulary: anemia, a condition with low red blood cells. Kidney, an organ that cleans the blood. Blood pressure, the force of blood in the body. Swollen, enlarged due to fluid. Function, how something works.